Okay, everybody, I'm over here. Finally got my food. As you can see here, we have some, this is Indian pani puri. These are kind of like puff pastries filled in with chickpeas, and you add sweet water or hot water. We have some bhel puri over there, which is puff pastries with Indian save, spices, mung beans. And over here I got my tandoori chicken platter, so you'll see the tandoori chicken, rice, bread. These are hot pickles, yogurt, and as I said before, lentils. So looking forward to trying some of this food here. I'm going to start with the I think I'll probably just start here with the yogurt. It's kind of a hot day, nice thing to cool yourself with here. It's really good. And then let's try some of the lentils here. The lentils are really fantastic. And let's try some of the hot pickle here. Let's try a little sample here, as you can see. Right over here, a little sample. And that's really good too. I'm going to use my hands here right now. It's going to get a little dirty, but I'm going to try a little piece of this chicken. Again, this is tandoori chicken here, made in the tandoor oven here from India. And man, God, it's really good. Very spicy. Melts in your mouth. And just absolutely delicious. I have to apologize because this is kind of messy as you're eating with your hands, but if you ever come out to Berkeley, California, make sure you eat here at Vic's Chaat House. And it's really good, really yummy. Just another shot here of the food. Anyway, this is Davel signing off here from Vic's Chaat House. Enjoying a very spicy Indian meal here for lunch. Hope everybody's well. Bye.